So you call the help desk during an internet outage and they're asking you to restart your firewall and your modem. Here's how to do this. This is a small Cisco MX firewall. You turn it around and here's the power cord. You unplug it and plug it back in. You do the same with the modem. Unplug it and plug it back in. Now, the other real world reason I created this video is because your setup is going to have a lot more cables and multiple boxes around, and it's going to be hard to tell which one's which. So always look for the cable connecting to your internet port right here. So this cable is the one connecting to your ISP's modem. All you have to do is trace it and wherever the other end connects to, that's the ISP modem you have to power cycle. I've seen a lot of similar boxes and it just gets confusing. Also, it doesn't matter how your box looks like or the provider. It almost always ends on that internet port I just showed you. Please share this video if it's been helpful. Thanks for watching.